Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are gonna react to SB19 Soundcheck, during Akon 2025, and right now we're gonna watch the warm up, warm up before that legendary performance. That, oh man, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako nakaka-move on sa dance break ng Crimzone. Hanggang ngayon. And there's a lot of 18 na may mga entry nung dance break ng, nung choreography ng Crimzone. And pinapanood ko yung mga yon. Man, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. Ilang araw na. Wala pa rin move on, man. Again, that's still one of my not one. That's my favorite performance ng SB19. Like, top 1. No? Kung akala mo na nagawa na nila yung pinakamalupit nilang performance noon, hindi, men. Iigitan pa nila. But now we have soundcheck, no? Ngayon may kita natin yung warm-up nila before that legendary performance. Well, I'm very excited with this, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Hey guys. Hello.
Kasi nung mga kasi usually ang may access sa soundcheck is yung may mga ticket na malapit sa like mga VIPs and all, right? And mosh pit. So, I feel like in swerte nila kasi meron silang parang extra, parang early concert, no? Na parang mas sobrang personal because sila yon habang nagka-soundcheck sa stage, right? Next time, maranasan din natin.
What's up, Kaohsiung? We are SB19. First of all, thank you, Akon 2025, for supporting these artists. Without further ado, this is Gendo. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, wait. Did they perform Gento? Damn. Ano ba yun sa Dam? Sila 8-on ball. Dongka. Hindi. Oh, shit. Okay. What the hell? I mean, pag tinapakan ka ni Josh, man. Pag natapakan ka ni Josh, may mas, may mababali talaga sa daliri mo sa paa. Imposibleng hindi, man. No later, woke up and baked it. And also, maliban sa 8-on ball na na flow, alam ko nasabi ko na ito pero ilang beses ko na nasabi, no. This flow of Josh is still one of my favorite flow ni Josh sa lahat ng kanta nila, no. Like sobrang parang sa kanya ko lang narinig yung flow na yan. Diba? Lupit eh. Power. Hey. Man, they basically did a whole different performance during soundcheck. Na sobrang worth it ng ng pagbili mo ng the VIP ticket. Like, I hope na ganito rin yung ginawa ng ibang artists during their soundcheck, no? Para hindi ma-spoil yung mismong performance nila. Kasi I assume that's the reason why Gento yung perform nila or sinoundcheck nila. Para hindi ma-spoil yung pinaka-performance nila. Kasi, man, tama lang kasi that performance is fucking special. Di ba halata? I'm glazing too much sa performance na yun. I'm glazing too much. Again, that's my favorite performance ng SB19. I mean, kahit na sino eh. Yung kahit na sino na napanood ko, men. Gento. Pinapakaramdaman nila yung stage, yung laki ng stage kasi, nililibot talaga nila. Aside sa, of course, nakapalibot yung audience, 'di ba? Dahil sa itsura nga ng lugar, 'di ba? Of course, mga VIPs nakapalibot sa stage. But at the same time, pinapakaramdaman nila yung kinakapahan nila yung lugar, gaano kalaki. Kasi again, hindi naman sila dito nag-rehearse, 'di ba? So basically, during their rehearsals and practices, ini-imagine lang nila yung stage, hindi talaga ganito. Or naghahanap sila ng lugar na maybe kasing laki, pero iba talaga yung itsura pag andun ka na no? Diba? Like, itong ginagawa nila during, concert sa Philippine Arena, right? Na kung saan sila, sila, sa Pure Gold, kung saan lugar sila na kasing laki, na at least kasing laki para magawa nila yung Ang layo na nila. Ang layo na nila. Ooh, yeah. Anong tayo mo? Lala. Hey. Come on, easy, Stel. This is a sound check. Siya mo lang. Sound check to. Ito nyo yung mga reaction and mga praises na tanggap ni Stel galing sa ibang mga artist, no? Na sobrang believe sa kanya. Sa, like, out of the blue kasi naman, no? Nag-whip out siya ng birit during their performance. Like, after nilang sumayaw, mag-dance break, tapos biglang bibirit. Hey! They're not even doing the choreography ng maayos, no? Kasi again, this is sound check, no? Daan lang sila, feel nila yung stage, but I feel like this performance is still better than like I don't know, 50% of performance na makikita natin sa ibang mga God damn. Damn, what?
Thank you so much.
Sound check lang yun, no?
Thank you you so much for supporting AAA 2025, Akon 2025. Again, we are SB19. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna see you later. Man, hindi alam ng mga tao dito, no? Di alam ng mga tao dito kung gaano kalupit yung performance nila nung mismong tayo na nagpe-performance sila, no? During this time, wala pang kaalam-alam ng mga tao kung ano yung niluluto nila. Damn. Gee. Alright, well again, that is SB19 Soundcheck, no? Sa Akon 2025. I mean, it makes sense, no? Na gento yung pinerform nila, hindi yung mismong mga, maybe one of the songs na ipe-perform talaga nila during their actual performance. Kasi again, ang dami lang binago no, sa performance nila, or sa mismong kanta. No? Ang dami lang remix, dance breaks. So, syempre, ayaw lang ma-spoil yung surprise during performance, no? But, again, even though na, gento yung pinerform nila, hindi masyadong nagsasayaw kasi agad sa soundcheck, no? Nasulit pa rin dahil, meron silang extra song yung mga tao na napainggan, and I hope ganoon din yung ginawa ng ibang mga artists dito, no? Para naging sulit yung, I know, ang pinaka perks ng having the VIP is, mas malapit ka sa stage, and at the same time, you can watch their soundcheck, no? Parang mas personal siya kasi mapanood mo yung mga artists doing a sound check, 'di ba? Again, this part of the concert or the show is them checking the mics and all, right? 'Di ba? Kung tama ba, kung komportable ba sila pag kumanta sila sa stage na ganyan yung mic nila, 'di ba? Kaya nga sound check, right? So, it's, pag nandito ka, pag VIP ka, parang, siya, mas personal, kasi may kita mo sila habang, soundcheck sila, wala pa sila sa mismong element nila, na, performance mode, right? So, isa yon, but again, at the same time, makapanood sila ng iba pang mga kanta ng paborito nilang artist, like, SB19, nag-perform sila ng Gento, which is, di naman nila pinerform, during actual performance, no? And I hope na yung other artists din na kasama dito is ganun yung ginawa, no? Para sobrang sulit talaga yung pera ng mga nag-VIP. But that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mag-sabitin yung artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.